If you try to blend two images that don't have the same size, then you are gonna get an error. So how can you avoid that error? Well, it's very simple. In order to avoid that error, you can get the size of each of these images and compare the size of each of these images, and if the size is different, then you are going to display an error and you will not try to blend the two images. So here in the blend two images function, you can here add if statement, if, and then you can take each image, image 1, if that image 1 dot size is equal to the other size, if to the image 2 size, if image 1 size dot size is equal to image 2 dot size, then at this point, only at this point, we can blend the two images and display the new image. Otherwise, you can here say else, and then you can do something else. You can print a message or do anything else. I'm just going to display a message that says that the two images don't have the same size. And you can add, you can say here error or something like that. Let me save and let me here pass an image that has a different size than the image 1. So for example, image 1, let me first call this function blend two images, and then I'm going to pass image 1 and image 2. So let's pick out two images that don't have the same sizes. So we have the beach, and we have the beach, and we have the palms, and they don't have the same size. So I'm going to say here, I'm going to pass the palms, and also I'm going to pass the beach because they don't have the same size, and I'm going to see what's going to happen. So jpg beach.jpg and palms.jpg. Let me now save and run our script and see what's going to happen. So if you run your script, you should get an error message. As you can see here, what you are going to get is that you are going to get this message: the two images don't have the same size, and you will not get an error. Your code will not break because we have handled this error. So this is very important. This is very, very important. Also in other functions, whenever you have a problem that is related to the size of images, you always need to add this if statement and check the size of, and compare the size of the two images that you want to apply something to them before you move forward. So this is very, very important in order to just keep your code error-free. You need to add this if statement, and this is very important in any function that takes two images, especially here in this blend two images because it takes two images.